Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy FX Rebel. I'm here again with another one. So yeah, let's get to it guys. This is what you have for this following week. So we're doing your USD, your EURJPY and your gold of course. So yeah, let's get into it. So last week, as you said last week, I was on the last video. So what he had last video didn't transpire as you wanted it to. So yeah, I mean, it didn't transpire the way we would have liked to, but yeah, it is what it is. You gotta continue. So for this week, I have my area set for this week. So it's my first area to be set. We're looking for an entry, and the other one is this, obviously the blue one highlighted here. So but we see how the market replies when it opens. But as long as we haven't broke this higher low, it's definitely still in an uptrend. We're definitely still in an uptrend for sure. So for now, all I have to do is just look for entries by entries. So I'm expecting a correction over here. So how I will spot my correction, I'll spot in a 4-hour candle. So a 4-hour candle, especially the one that represent the opposite direction. Like for instance, if you're buying, green candle represents bullish, right, and the red one represents bearish. So at the moment I cannot see here, my colors are different. So obviously my orange or gold one is my bearish candle. So I'll just come to the 4-hour to look for a bearish candle to confirm that I have a correction on my certain level that I want, just so I spot my corrections on my levels. So for now, I'll be expecting the market to correct, give me a 4-hour candle correction on this blue, on this level over here, or just transfer to the downside on this level here, then enter. But for now, I can see here we kind of have, I would say, a double bottom or triple bottom whatsoever, but I wouldn't enter this. You know, I was not convinced last week as he took it out. Yeah, he took us out. Took us out here. Here's something like this. Yeah, then he took us out, but we didn't enter again. You know, he just let it slide. So for now, I'm expecting, at the moment, you can see more like a triple bottom and double bottom, but for it to be confirmed, you can expect a correction over here to the upside. So what I'll wait for is the market to give me any sign of continuation to the upside, then you can enter for 1 to 3, or I'll wait for the market to come over here to this level, then enter to the upside with your 1 to 3 as well. So this I'll be expecting for now in the market. So if the opportunity presents itself, I'll definitely take it. But as long as the market hasn't come to where I'm expecting to play around, I won't take any trade. So let's move to the next pair, guys. So let's get into gold. Gold. So you can see now gold, I'll say we're in a momentum or more you're in a sell zone, or in a sell, I mean downtrend. You're in a downtrend, but I believe it's a short-term downtrend. I don't believe it's a long-term one. I believe it's a short-term one, but we'll see how it transpires. So as you can see, I have my buy zone here, guys. I got my buy zone here set already, and also I have this zone over here. The zone over here, but we'll see how the market plays on this level here. If it breaks it, you know, if it breaks it, then you can expect a continuation to the downside. But if it doesn't break it, you know, comes here, rejects, and gives me 3 touch on my setup, then we enter. You might be looking at the possible reversal, but if that doesn't happen, it's okay, you keep on moving. So at the moment, as last week we said, my last video, we took a trade on one of these levels over here. It was a success. It was a successful trade. It's a beautiful trade. We got anticipated it correctly. We took our profits early because it was like the end of the week, so I decided to take it early as I had some things to do on the side. But yeah, we took it. It's a winner banger. So now what you're waiting for is the market to play around these levels over here. So presumably, for me, I'll say I'll look for entries on this level. You know, this is your sell-off, so this is my sell-off zones. But I'm not saying the market cannot sell over here. It can still sell over this zone here, but yeah, for me, I will personally wait for it to come over here. It can still enter here, but I won't enter it. Where I enter on the level has been tested multiple times. So we can see I'm a buy zone here, buy zone. Remember, so for me to spot my buy zones, like my high probability buy zones, come to my daily as well. So coming to my daily, I spot my daily supports, my daily supplies, buy zones for more high probability setup. So you can see here from the daily here, this is what we have on a 4 hour. This is how is it in a 4 hour, then it goes in 1 hour. I take my trades in 1 hour, so I look at most of the time I use 1 hour time frame. So for now, what I'm expecting in the market is the price to come over here, continue to downside a bit. You see how price plays out when it gets to the level. If it breaks, then definitely you're in a downtrend. You still continue downtrend, then you can expect something like this. In that hindsight, something like this, price come over here and retest this level again, because it hasn't been retested at all, and continue, or price coming back here, back to this level over here. That one has been tested multiple times, but for me personally, I wait for this level over here. I wouldn't say I won't enter here, but I'm just gonna I'll enter on a level, or a level that has multiple touches. The one that seems like it's more like a Zen sell zone, like more high probability sell zones. Yeah, so for now, if price comes over this level, I'll just let it slide, to be honest. So we'll see how price reacts when it gets to this level now. But my main target for buy zones here, this is what we're looking for buys. So yeah, other than that, this is what I have for gold for this week. So let's move to EURJPY. So EURJPY, 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 EURJPY. So EURJPY, as you can see, share price came on a daily zone, which came on a daily zone, sold off from the daily zone. You can see gave us 3 touch setup. We presumably entered the first time. This is where I entered. I had something like, let me see on the 4 hour, but I had something, yeah, correct. So no, man, it's not that I had it in 4 hour. I had something like this last week, but I didn't take the trade. I was not participating on the trade. Yeah, I didn't take a trade. Just let it slide. I didn't take a trade, which was a shame, but yeah, it is what it is. It was mostly a focus on trades that present themselves first. So whatever trade I see the opportunity, I will take it. I won't wait for a certain, like, let me not explain it. Let's keep this video short. So I had something like this. Price obviously sold. It broke this level over here, this higher low. So clearly that shows violation of structure. So we're expecting a continue lower lows, expecting a sell-off now. So now more like a sell-off zone now. So at the moment I'm making for a correction, condition to the downside. So what we'll do is that in this level over here, what I'm waiting for is a 4-hour correction candle, the green gold candle to form, so I can take a trade to the downside, or I can decide whether to take a trade to the downside or to the upside. So this is what I have for EURJPY. But as far as I'm concerned, you're in a downtrend. You confirm a downtrend. Or price might come here, give me I'll say double top. Even still, it's still enter here. But I'm more biased on the sell. So yeah, this is what I have for this week. Guys. Remember, guys, like, subscribe, and yeah, let's go together, guys. Let's go together. Remember, I don't give out signals. I don't send out signals. Whatever I'm saying here is my perception of the market. I don't send signals. Remember that. I just analyze, I just share my information. I just share my mind with you guys. So guys, yeah, like, subscribe, and let's go together. Cheers.